All right, we're at the Marriott in the south part of the Denver Tech Center. We got Dovers. And they're modded on the inside. But as you'll see, still have the door buzz. Oh,
Hi again.
I'm filming for a project, sorry.
Oh, that's okay.
No, you're going to one?
I'm going to one.
Yeah.
What project?
I'm interested in elevators.
Okay.
And I kind of, when I have free time or when I'm able to stop, I just stop in a place and get a video if it's elevator. I post it to YouTube.
Interesting. All right, man. Have a good day.
You too. I rode up with him before I filmed, so I figured it warranted an explanation. You going up? I guess I'm still. And then we'll come back to 6. This place is so busy.
Okay, ready? One.
Have a good one.
Oh, I will. You too.
Thank you. Yeah, this place is very busy. But, yeah. What I was gonna say, these are definitely on their original logic. These run like T4s do for sure. Honestly, might be T3. No, but I actually think it's T4, but those definitely run like Dover. There is no doubt that the controller is the same. Makes sense, T4 is reliable, so no need. But anyway, that is it.